There's another universe. Please make some noise. Give me a
dance. Bands that make her dance. Bands that make her dance. Boy.
Girl, the way you move it, got me in a trance.
Bands that make her dance. Bands that make her dance.
Girl, the way you move it, got me in a trance.
All these cheeks popping pussy. I'm just popping bang. Short hair like me alone. Use one, she don't need a loan. She start twerking when she hear a song. Strip up all her income. We get tripping and then some. So nasty when she rollin'. She put that ass off in my hands. I remote control it. She give me down when the roof gone. At the KOD, she leave with me. She got friends. Bring 3. I got drugs. I got drink. Bend it over. Juicy J gon' poke it like wet paint. You say no to ratchet pussy. Juicy J can't. Rags word.
Hi guys, sijui kama mnaweza nisikia juu ya noise. So welcome back to this vlog. Currently niko picnic, solo picnic. Yeah, and I was actually shooting for my TikTok and Instagram. So I just have short form content. And I didn't shoot for you guys. I'm so sorry, but I just feel like I need to pack up because I have already shot the videos that I wanted. Because this area is not that safe, you know. And as a woman in this time, you gotta stay alert. That's why I have something for protection. Yeah, so I'm actually gonna, what do you call it, insert those short vlogs, and I'm gonna post for you guys so that you can see. And if you've not followed me on Instagram and TikTok, kindly do that at Simply Wandia, or it's Wandia on Instagram. Yeah, and I'm so excited and I'm having a good time, honestly, alone. Yeah, and thank you so much for tuning in. And if you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe because I love you guys.
Nikupeleke date, upike food pics, na uonje food yangu just to annoy me. TikTok challenges ukidance na nitucheke inside jokes mbele ya umati. Uniulize if you look fat and if you are a warm would I love ya. Nikuringie dance moves zangu mbaya, cause I can dance so you can love. Nadai kuamka kama mkono imeganda, juu hapo ndo ulilala. Lovers wakipiga story ni relate forever amen.
Hi guys, ndo natoka kushoot, so make sure you follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Actually, I was not done, but sasa this area is not actually safe. Hata jana si nimeomba. Actually sidhani nishaiombea kitu kama venye nimeomba jana. Like hadi unaona venye tu unaamkanga kutoka kwa usingizi, niko like God protect me as I shoot that video. Actually hata snacks, hata fruits nimekula nusu za video, because unaona hata time yenye nilifika kuna mbabazi mwingine alikuwa anapita hapo na mtoto wake, akaniambia na ukae rada, this place is not safe. I guess ni polisi venye tu alikuwa anakaa. And I was like yeah. Then see mimi shooting my video and my photos, taking photos. Then kuna huyu kijana, hebu kidogo, is my phone. Oh, kuna huyu kijana like amekuja hapo akapita, and kuna hii kikombe, hii Stanley cup ni fake. I swear to God. What the fuck, haifungikangi vizuri, ilikuwa inafungika vizuri kitambo. So kuna geza amenipea, and I'm like maybe he just looked at me because like ameshangaa nafanya nini with a tripod, but then nageuka napata amesimama kuniangalia. Where kegwere let me tell you something. Nimefunganisha tu virago vyangu and I'm like, thank God I'm done shooting whatever I needed to shoot. Cause let me just go edit the videos and the photos so that I can actually post on Instagram and TikTok. So yeah, what else did I want to say? I really had a good time, but I've not done everything I wanted because I wanted to journal and to write some. I needed to write on my planner, but sijaweza. Hi. What? So masikia guys, so I've not been able to do that, but nikasema I can do that in the house because I've actually achieved 90% of what I wanted. Yeah.
I better stick to TikTok and mean that without disrespect. I was a virgin before I met you, baby. I don't have an ex. Thought I told you bitches I pull up in 20 Cadillacs. Yeah, money long, cheetah down, thick as hell, Georgia down, shine niggas, shine clothes. I don't know. Y'all go for shit, I wouldn't. I'm on 300 a book. Bitch, I don't play for the Nets, but I'm gon' shoot shit up by Brooklyn.
Bands will make her dance. Bands will make her dance.
The way you move it, got me in a trance.
All these chicks poppin' pussy. I'm just poppin'
Yes, our
bang.
cook. Yes. This is the map. Ni mo grazie a
All these chicks poppin' pussy. I'm just poppin' bang. 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 All these chicks poppin' pussy. I'm just poppin' bang. Bands will make her dance. Bands will make her dance. All these chicks poppin' pussy. I'm just poppin' bang. Bands will make her dance. Bands will make her dance. She's clap, let's get it, name.
If you have that inpatient services, and we take even
Got 24 seconds and it's starting right now.
Asante sana. Empower the poor to